We're starting strong with site visits and sawdust today, just how I like it. Then I head to Temecula, kicking things off on the patio with vineyard views and settling into my hotel room before the real fun begins. But before it all, I stop by one of my projects and an ADU that I'm designing. This trip was all about getting an inside look at Waterstone's factory. From showroom glam to the grind of the workshop, it's all about design in the details. Let's start this tour together.
Is everything new here?
Yeah, everything new.
Wow. That's fun.
New remodel.
Yeah. So beautiful here in Temecula. Wine country is amazing. My bungalow is so cute. Outdoor area.
Okay, I know I'm lingering on this room, but I'm a designer, so of course I have thoughts. The stay, super comfortable. Staff was great, and room service, a win. Breakfast every day and so much food. Design-wise, the room's a little dark, and the bathroom definitely giving early 2000s tile realness. Overall though, a solid 8.2, the view was stunning, the space was great, and I felt totally taken care of. And hey, I know a good designer when they're ready to remodel. Next time, I just hope I actually get to catch the hot air balloons. Now, on to our tour at Waterstone. Walking into the Waterstone showroom, you already know it's going to be good. A quick glance at the kitchen setup, and then it's straight into rows of stunning plumbing fixtures. From sculptural faucets to dramatic finishes, it's giving curated gallery more than showroom. And through the window, a peek at the factory where all the magic happens. Then I found this piece. Tell me that doesn't give yacht energy. Sleek, bold, and just begging for a custom bar install. Now I'll let Pate take it from here, because yes, that is a shower head in the ceiling.
Oh wow. Hey, really? No way, that's freaking cool.
Yeah.
Like that's literally coming from the ceiling.
Yeah. I know, right?
It's like panel ready, just make it the whatever.
Okay, so a couple of tidbits I'd like to share with everybody before we walk onto the floor is that
Now we're starting our factory tour, and this is where things get real. Big machines, heavy material, and serious precision behind every piece. It's one thing to see the final product, but this is the heart of it all. I'll let the tour guide take it from here.
So, wow. Remember that Steve? Steve's our Executive Vice President of Engineering. Right. He's got a lot of designs. He does a lot of stuff with Chris on design, something like that. And he owns been here for over 20 years. So him and Chris have definitely collaborated a lot and putting things together. So that was made just this morning. See that? And he's doing the knurling on there. And it's going to be polished still and everything. Pretty cool. Anybody want to hold it? Take 3 minutes. We have a couple that take 45 minutes.
So is this the machine just for knurling?
No, not necessarily. We have about 5 machines that can do knurling. Yep.
What does this machine do?
This machine is we selected it because it was open, and so it doesn't do knurling. Don't do that. If you do anything else you want, there's a lot of now. Yeah, exactly. So at the very beginning of a new job, you say, hey, what we'll do is we'll program, right? We'll come over here, we'll have a setup guy, do all the settings, all that stuff, install the right blade.
Those are for O-rings and different things.
Yep,
so
O-rings,
put it together.
Exactly.
The water doesn't weep out.
100%.
Really pretty.
See that? Look at the detail on the cuts and everything like that. Now remember, again, solid. You can pick that up. It's a paperweight. Careful, don't crush your fingers. Okay? So Mike is looking right now to make...
Wow. That's really kind of deceiving. Yeah, it is. I'm like, oh, it's not going to be that. Oh, wait a minute. It's
So he's going to make a spring case. The spring case actually holds a spring internally there for the bath product on the cut. Every single little groove, it's got a purpose for it. You know, every little knot, it's got a... Look at the dimensions there, right? All that stuff is still dialed in position. Henry goes on vacation, I get nervous. I'm nervous. What? Tired. Now we're talking about What is that?
That's the inventory?
Well, the light's going to come on now. The clear light. And then it tells them where the part is at. You see the little green dot? It says, it's the laser pointer. He tells them exactly where to go. That way he can come right over here instead of like trying to guess where it's at. The machine's telling it's so intelligent, it tells you exactly where it's at. As soon as he takes it out of here, the system subtracts it. So if I run a report tomorrow morning, he knows that we're missing 2 of those because he picked them today. That's how the control of inventory.
If you're loving the vibes, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you never miss a moment of this Blasian designer's day in the life.
go clean it up and look in an eye, make it look nice again. But some customers say like, I don't want it to be clean. I want it to come back all ugly and dirty, and because it's got a character.
It matches the rest of the
Yeah,
stuff too,
yeah.
right?
All of a sudden, it doesn't match their pot filter, right? Industry use air. We don't use air. We use water because water does have the tendency to find every discussion can, right? So she does a systematic process. Depends on the hot water.
And that concludes our factory tour with Waterstone Faucets, right here in one of California's up-and-coming wine regions. Now, onto a little education with James Bender, one of their territory managers and a true pro.
Water. And I've done the rep thing now for Waterstone for the last 2 years. Just had my anniversary in March. And it's obviously a great company to work for, great products, amazing people. And it's great to be able to work with salespeople and designers and really get out and see what our community is all about. Some great individuals in the LA market. So I really appreciate you guys dealing with the traffic to get down here. And I know that we had a lot of fun. We're going to have some more.
Piece just in this.
The 1 minute wheel.
Yeah, and so we have a 1 minute wheel video that it shows. It takes about 2.5 hours just to assemble.
Just assemble this one.
Forget all of the production that goes into it ahead of assembly. But people look at that piece and they go, seriously, $5,000 for a faucet? And we get it. That is the jewelry for the kitchen. We have pieces that are $1,500, but if they truly want a piece of art that is custom made, you know, it's a great option.
Jason said about 1,500.
Yeah.
So that hot take doesn't just keep flowing. It turns the whole system off for you. So these are great for the filtration system as well as independently, like maybe under your washer dryer, especially if it's upstairs, or under a hot water heater, or even under a sink. Anywhere you want to make sure that there are not leaks, it's a great place to put it.
Yeah. Can we take a moment for this faucet? That brushed bronze gold yummy finish is doing the most. It's the perfect ending to a packed day of design, education, and factory magic at Waterstone. Now I'm heading downstairs to grab some samples because I'm an interior designer, obviously. Then it's off to lunch with the Waterstone team and designers.
Sorry. He's so cute. He's so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Workers. Yeah. Oh my god, your camera's so cute.
Gonna be you. Gonna be everything you ever dreamed. Gonna be who.
Thanks again for joining us.
Thank you for inviting us.
You're so welcome. Thank you. Cheers.
Those onion rings look amazing.
Everything looks amazing.
Gonna be you and me. Gonna be everything you ever dreamed.
I met her in a pub down in Old Soho, where you drink champagne and your taste is like Coca-Cola, C-O-L-A, Cola. She walked up to me and she asked me to dance. I asked her her name and in a dark brown voice she said hello.
The next morning, I try to get up at 5 a.m. to catch the hot air balloons floating over the vineyards. Emphasis on tried, though. Let's just say my bed won that battle, so instead, I soaked in one last quiet moment on the patio. Those vineyard views were still doing the most, even without balloons. It felt like the perfect way to wrap up the trip. A little calm, a little golden light, and a lot of gratitude for a place that blends design, craftsmanship, and California wine country charm so effortlessly. Time to pack it up. And that's a wrap in Temecula with Waterstone. Factory tour complete, and we're back on the road. But don't go far. Next up, I'm hitting the scene at LCDQ Legends for LA Design Week. Friends, fashion, parties, and all the design vibes. You feel me? Then it's off to the greatest show house on earth, Kips Bay, where I'm showing up for 4 insanely talented design friends, Beth Diana Smith, Mikal Welch, Swati Gora, and Huma Suleiman, alongside a lineup of inspiring creatives. The space is next level. I'm talking a Campana Brothers style chair, yes, the ones covered in stuffed animals, walls with texture you can feel, and a hand-painted ceiling that'll leave you staring. And that's the Empire States Building, the Big Apple, my old hometown. And just like that, I'm back, baby. See you in the next one.